What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. Today I'm going to be taking a closer look at this third brake light assembly from 5.0 Resto, designed for the 1987 to 1993 hatchback Fox bodies. This third brake light is going to appeal to the Fox Mustang owner out there that is wanting to replace a damaged, missing, or oxidized factory light, or they're looking to finish off a 93 Cobra or Saleen spoiler installation. 5.0 Resto's third brake light is manufactured from Ford tooling, so the fit and finish is going to be right on the money. When adding this light to a new spoiler, or if you're replacing one, it may be in your best interest to replace the pigtails depending on their condition. Something else to consider is new attaching screws, and along with the pigtails, both of those items are available on the site. Fitment wise, this third brake light will fit all 1987 to 1993 hatchbacks with a GT, Cobra, or Saleen rear spoiler.
To begin the install, remove the two Phillips head screws from either side of the light. Carefully bring the light forward and then remove both of the light sockets. If the wiring harness is taped to the harness clip, be sure and dislodge that from the light as well. As you can see, our harness was not attached to the clip. Before installing the new light, take this time to wipe any dirt and grime from the wires and light sockets. If you'd like, properly install the harness clip and tape the wires to the clip with quality electrical tape. Replace the bulbs if needed. Reinstall the sockets into the light. Position the light into place. Install the retaining screws and be careful not to over tighten. Check for operation, and then you're all finished.
At its relatively low price point, this 5.0 Resto third brake light is a must-have for your restoration project, or if you're installing one of the previously mentioned spoilers. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT lighting.